there, my name is Dawn Reed, and I would like to welcome you to Insight School. I am your academic advisor, and here's my phone number. This is probably a good time to pause, write it down, save it in your cell phone, whatever you need to do. So let's keep going. So first of all, let's go over what is an academic advisor. I am here to help you succeed. It's my number one goal is to help you succeed. So please, please, please know that whenever I am trying to do something for you, it is trying to help you graduate. So I am your first line of contact with the school. I sometimes like to say I'm kind of like an operator where I will help you reach different places and I will help you when you're struggling. I'm also a cheerleader. I'm all kinds of great things. So I'm definitely here to do whatever needs to be done to help you to graduate. So I'm also your homeroom teacher at the school. I will be your homeroom teacher and your academic advisor most likely the entire time you're with our school. And I like to think of myself as the lifeboat. When things are going wrong, when you're struggling, and when things are happening that you need help with, I am the person that you contact to get that help. So who am I? I've worked in education for 12 years as a history teacher, a speech therapist, and now this is my third year as an academic advisor at Insight. I've worked in both physical and online schools, and I've worked with students all the way from kindergarten to 12th grade. I have bachelor's degrees in social sciences and communicative disorders. I love gardening, reading, movies, cooking, and most of all, I love being a wife and a mom. Here's my husband. Here's my beautiful two little girls. This is my newest one. This is Iris, my cutie pie. And here's my oldest, Nora. Sometimes, because I work from home, you're going to hear this guy in the background and his brother. So just know that if you're hearing barking, it's because I also, just like you, work from home. And sometimes you might hear this little gal, little photobomb girl in the background. So it's kind of a full house. Usually my kiddos are not home with me while I'm working, but when they are, it can be a challenge. So roll with it, just like we roll with you. All right, so the things that I'll do for you. As your academic advisor, I will help you with the online system. That's probably the number one thing you're going to need in your first few weeks here at school from me, is help with the online system. I'll answer your questions, both large and small. I'll monitor your attendance and progress with the school. I will cheer you on and encourage you. I send lots and lots of encouraging text messages and emails and all that good stuff. Please, please, please reply so that I know you're getting them and that you're doing okay. Just because you have an A in math does not mean that you don't need help with something else. So please always reply, even if it's just a smiley face or a thumbs up. I'll also help you to navigate school policy and to complete paperwork and all that good stuff that has to do with enrollment with our school. So let's go over a few things about that. Here's the difference between a physical school and Insight. Let's go over some of the similarities. At a physical school, you need to attend every single day. At Insight, you need to attend every single school day. At a physical school, you have to work in your classes every day. At Insight, you have to work in your classes every day. At a physical school, homework means grades, and at Insight, homework means grades. If you want to get that grade, you have to do the work for it. Live classes, live classes. We both have live classes, but one of the big differences is when you are not feeling well at a physical school, you need an excuse. At Insight, you need an excuse as well if you're going to miss school. However, you probably shouldn't need to miss school quite as much, since at Insight, you can't get anybody else sick and you don't have to leave the house. So there's really not too many reasons to miss school. At a physical school, you cannot make up live classes. Here at Insight, you can make up live classes by watching recordings, but you will need to have a legitimate excuse. Legitimate excuses do not include things like, I was feeding my dog. They do not include things like, I had to go to the grocery store or I had to eat lunch. So you need to make your schedules accordingly. So, how do I get attendance at Insight? Do your homework, do your homework, do your homework. That is the biggest thing we need you doing on a daily basis. Attend live sessions, going to your classes, knowing what to do, making sure that you're actually attending those sessions on time, just like you would at a physical school. Do online reading. You can go in and do your work and do your reading and do all that good stuff, and all 3 of these things give you attendance at our school. This means that you have 24 hours to gain school attendance every single day. So if you have a doctor's appointment at 10 a.m. and you have math class at 10 a.m., you still have the ability to go in and do your homework for that class and gain attendance. What do I need to help you? I need you to contact me back within 24 hours of being contacted. So if I text you, call you, email you, please contact me back so that I can help you. Students at our school that are successful are the students who call us back. Learning coaches who are successfully helping their student are the ones who call us back. Contact me when you need help. This is a biggie. You can't just sit quietly waiting for my help. I do not have a magic crystal ball. And so I cannot know if you are struggling. I cannot know if there's something you need help with. Let's say you're going to miss a day because of because of whatever is going on at home. I need you to contact me to tell me that. I can't know that that's going to happen, and I can't help you if you don't tell me that things are happening. So let's say there's something happening and you need help, like your Wi-Fi went out in the entire neighborhood. I need you to tell me that the neighborhood's Wi-Fi went out. Give me a call, give me a text, tell me something's happening and I can't get to class today. Email me if you can. Contact, contact, contact. I cannot stress that enough. Student success is directly linked at our school to communication. I can't see your beautiful face confused in the classroom, and so I need you to tell me when you are struggling. The big 3, guys. Here are the big 3 things you need to do every single school day to be successful. Every single school day, which does not include Saturday or Sunday. Go to live sessions. Go to class. Go to class. Do your homework. Every single day you should be doing homework. Please do not put it off for the end. That is painful. Stay in contact. This includes reading and responding to all emails and texts every single school day. So stay in contact. Do your homework. Every day do your homework, guys. You should be doing it every single day. All right, what to expect your first week of school. You will get lost. You will get lost. It's okay. We're here to help you. You're going to also have strong start sessions to help you learn about Insight and to help you to navigate the courses. We're going to have those strong start sessions so that you can get the help you need, and we can go over the things that students commonly have problems with when they start with us. You will have a help desk on your Class Connect schedule. So you have a help desk so that you can go in there and get that help. Use it, guys. You also have me. If you need help, use me. I am here for that exact reason. You'll get many, many emails your first few weeks. Read them, respond. They're there to help you. Obviously, if it's just something giving information and not asking for a response, that's fine. You don't need to respond. But when a response is necessary, please do respond. What to do now? Watch out for an email from me that's called the welcome email. It's probably going to go to your Learning Coach's email account. It's going to come from me, Dee Reed at k12insight.org. Be sure to log into the online high school now. If you haven't done that yet, then please, please, please try to gain access to the online high school now. Set up your Learning Coach account. Set up your student account. Then I want you to text me. If you don't have those accounts set up, then I want you to let me know that you still need help with them. Text me. My number is 951-821-6686. Tell me your first name and your last name. And if you need any help, I want you to tell me in that text message. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I look forward to our year together. Take care.